In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Microsoft Excel. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially when working with larger data sets, as it helps keep certain columns visible while you scroll through the rest of your sheet. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to want to open Microsoft Excel, which is a staple tool in the Microsoft Office suite, widely used for data management and analysis. Once you have Excel up and running, your next step is to either create a new worksheet or open an existing one that you wish to work on. Ensure that your worksheet has sufficient data so you can see the practical use of freezing columns as you scroll through your data. Once you have your worksheet ready and visible, direct your attention to the top menu in Excel. This is where all your core functionalities are housed. Look for the tab labeled View and click on it. This tab is crucial as it encompasses various viewing options that enhance your worksheet experience. Now, over on the left side of the View tab, you will notice an option called Freeze Panes. Clicking here brings up a drop-down menu where you'll find several options tailored to help you freeze different parts of your worksheet. For today's task, we are focusing on freezing the first column. This is particularly handy if your first column contains important information such as titles or headers you'd like to keep in sight as you scroll through the rest of the data. Select Freeze First Column from the drop-down menu. With this step completed, your first column will remain static and visible no matter how far to the right you scroll. This setting is especially helpful when your dataset is wide and you need to maintain a clear understanding of which row corresponds to each piece of data as you move around the sheet. That's all it takes. You have successfully frozen the first column in your worksheet. This feature helps you maintain a visual reference point and is useful in ensuring accuracy and context as you work through large volumes of data. A quick tip before we wrap up: if you later decide to unfreeze the column, head back to the View tab, click Freeze Panes again, and select Unfreeze Panes from the drop-down menu to revert back to your default scrolling settings. This flexibility allows you to adjust your settings based on the needs of your current task, making Excel not only powerful, but adaptable to different data management needs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Freezing columns can streamline your workflow and prevent any scrolling confusion, making your time spent in Excel more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy data managing.